AI is moving insanely fast. Every single industry is being transformed, and if you don't adapt, you'll get left behind. The world is shifting towards automation, AI-driven content, and data-powered decision-making. But most people have no idea which AI skills actually matter. In this video, I'll break down the 5 most powerful AI skills you need to master in 2025, skills that can help you land high-paying jobs, build a profitable business, or just stay ahead in this new AI-driven world. These are the skills that will separate those who thrive from those who fall behind. So make sure you stick around until the end to get the full picture. But first, a quick introduction. My name is Patrick, and this is Grow with Patrick, a channel dedicated to helping you grow online using AI, social media, and business strategies. If that sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe because I share practical, high-value strategies in every video. Now let's get into it. Skill number 1, AI prompt engineering. AI is only as smart as the person using it. And the difference between a beginner and an expert isn't the AI tool they use, it's how they communicate with it. Prompt engineering is the art of giving AI the right instructions to get the best results. Think of it like cooking. If you just throw random ingredients into a pan without a recipe, you'll get a mess. But if you follow a well-crafted recipe, you get a masterpiece. Mastering prompt engineering means knowing how to structure prompts for tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or DAL. It's about using context, role-playing, and step-by-step instructions to get clear, precise, and high-quality responses from AI. For example, instead of asking ChatGPT, write a blog post about AI. A pro would say act as a tech journalist. Write a detailed, engaging 1,000-word article on the impact of AI on small businesses, including statistics, expert quotes, and future trends. You see the difference. A great case study is Jasper AI, a content generation tool that businesses use to create blog posts, marketing copy, and even video scripts. Companies that refine their AI prompts can generate content that sounds human-like, requires minimal editing, and ranks well on search engines. Mastering this skill can save businesses thousands of dollars in content production costs. Skill number 2, AI automation and no-code tools. Imagine running an entire business on autopilot. Emails get written automatically, customer service runs itself, invoices are handled in the background. That's the power of AI automation. With tools like Zapier, Make.com, and OpenAI's API, you can connect different apps and AI models to automate repetitive tasks, complex workflows, and even entire business processes without writing a single line of code. Here's a simple example. Let's say you run an online store. You can set up an automation where AI analyzes customer reviews and automatically sorts them into categories. A chatbot handles common customer questions with personalized responses, and your orders and inventory updates sync seamlessly across multiple platforms without you lifting a finger. One of the most well-known automation success stories is from e-commerce. Many Shopify store owners use AI automation to handle support tickets, order tracking, and even personalized email marketing campaigns. This allows small businesses to scale without hiring a massive team. Another great example is in real estate. Agents are now using AI to automatically qualify leads, schedule property showings, and even draft contracts in seconds instead of hours. The people who master AI automation will have a massive advantage in the future, especially freelancers and entrepreneurs looking to save time, cut costs, and scale their businesses efficiently. Skill number 3, AI-powered content creation. Content is king, but AI is the ultimate assistant. If you can combine creativity with AI, you can produce high-quality content at lightning speed. Think about it. AI can now write blog posts, video scripts, and social media captions in seconds. Generate professional images and graphics without a designer. Edit videos automatically, cutting hours of work into minutes. But here's the catch, AI can't replace human creativity. The best content creators in the future will be the ones who know how to blend AI with their own unique style to create content that actually resonates with an audience. A great case study here is Ryan Reynolds' company, Maximum Effort. They famously used AI-generated scripts for ads, but combined them with their signature humor and human touch. The result? Viral marketing campaigns that didn't feel robotic. This proves that AI can help speed up the process, but the human touch still matters. Another powerful example is YouTube automation. Some creators use AI to generate entire video scripts, voiceovers, and even visuals, allowing them to produce content at scale while still ensuring a personal touch. If you learn how to strategically use AI for content, you'll be able to pump out more, better, and faster content than ever before. And that means more engagement, more followers, and more income. Skill number 4, AI and data literacy. AI runs on data, and if you don't understand data, you won't understand AI. This skill is critical because AI models like ChatGPT, Bard, and Midjourney don't think, they predict. They generate responses based on massive datasets. The better you understand how data works, the better you can use AI to your advantage. Here's why data literacy matters. You'll make smarter business decisions using AI-powered analytics. You'll know how to spot biases and misinformation in AI outputs. You'll be able to train AI models to work better for your specific needs. A case study here is Netflix. The company uses AI-driven data analysis to recommend content to users, optimize video streaming, and even decide which TV shows and movies to produce. Without data literacy, none of these decisions would be possible. Another case study is in finance. Hedge funds and investment firms rely on AI to analyze stock market trends and predict price movements. Investors who understand data literacy can use AI tools to gain a serious edge over traditional traders. Understanding data will give you a serious edge, whether you're in marketing, finance, or even content creation. Skill number 5, AI ethics and responsible AI use. AI is powerful, but it can also be dangerous. Misinformation, deepfakes, biased algorithms. These are real problems. And companies are desperate for people who know how to use AI responsibly. AI ethics is about making sure that AI is used fairly, transparently, and without harm. This is becoming so important that governments are starting to regulate AI, and businesses will need experts who can navigate these new rules. Take Google, for example. They've been criticized multiple times for biased AI models. To address this, they now have entire teams dedicated to AI ethics, ensuring their models are as fair and unbiased as possible. Companies that ignore AI ethics risk lawsuits, reputational damage, and even government intervention. A real-world example is the healthcare industry. Hospitals and medical researchers are using AI to diagnose diseases and recommend treatments. But if AI is trained on biased or incomplete data, it can lead to serious errors. That's why experts in AI ethics are needed to ensure these models are safe and reliable. If you understand AI ethics, you won't just be valuable, you'll be essential in the AI-driven world of 2025. So those are the 5 AI skills that will be game changers in 2025 and the future. Master just one of these, and you'll have a serious advantage in the job market, business, or content creation. And if you want to learn more about how to learn and master these skills, stay tuned because I'll be dropping videos soon that go even deeper into each one. Now I want to hear from you. Which AI skill are you most excited to learn? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And if you want more in-depth content on AI, business, and social media growth, make sure to subscribe. I break down the latest AI trends and strategies to help you stay ahead, so hit that button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.